This video tutorial I will explain like operator in SQL. Here you can see the syntax of like operator. Like operator used in where class. Suppose if you want to search specified pattern in the column, then we can use like operator. There are two wildcards often used in conjunction with like operator. The first one is percentage, which represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. The second one is underscore, which represents a single character. We will see some examples. Here you can see the employee table and it has 9 records. I want to get employee records where city name starts with C. Then I can use this query. Select star from employee where city like C percentage. And here I got two records where city name starts with C. And I want to get the records where city name end with O. Then I can use like this. Here we got two records where city name end with O. Here I am using the pattern percentage KY percentage. So this query returns employee records where city name has these two characters in between. And we got one record. Here I am using the pattern underscore T percentage. We got one record where the second letter is T. And here I am using this pattern T and then underscores. It returns one record and the city name is Tokyo. Here I am using this pattern T percentage O and it returns one record and the city name is Tokyo. Suppose I want to get all records where city name not start with C. Then I can use this query. Select star from employee where city not like C percentage. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.